Do you do this often?
No.
Do you, I'm not here to judge, right? But do you need like the money to support like a drug habit or anything like that?
No, I just needed to get something to eat and everything.
Something to eat? When's the last time you ate, love?
Not the day before yesterday.
Okay. Where did you sleep last night?
At a friend's house around the corner from Burger King.
Oh, a friend's house by Burger King? Did you normally stay there?
No.
Okay.
On the 10th of July, 2025, an undercover officer completed a prostitution sting arrest. Under Sherman v. United States, entrapment requires government inducement plus lack of predisposition. Providing an opportunity to commit a crime is not inducement. The subject's agreement to a $40 transaction satisfies predisposition. The sting was lawful. Before Miranda was read, the subject voluntarily disclosed a crack stem. She was already under formal arrest at that point. Under Rhode Island v. Innis, a spontaneous disclosure not made in response to a question is generally admissible even post-custody. The disclosure here was unprompted and appears voluntary. Miranda was delivered correctly all 5 elements before substantive questioning. The subject did not explicitly waive but continued engaging voluntarily. Under Berghuis versus Thompkins and Colorado versus Spring, a Miranda waiver may be inferred from conduct. Extended voluntary cooperation after the advisement constitutes an implied waiver.
Hey, keep your hands out the window. Keep your hands out the window.
Let me go out the window.
You unbuckle your seatbelt. One hand.
Relax.
Come on over.
Relax, man.
Come over.
Steering wheel now. Hey, I'm gonna put in park.
Turn around.
Why is she in trouble? Look, I worked with her. I know her for like 2 years.
What's that little baggie on the ground there?
Shit.
What's that little baggie on the ground there?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? Weird. You don't know?
No.
Strange.
Shit, this my brother
right
could
at
use
your
my
feet.
car. My brother could use my car.
The weapons or anything? Come on.
Look, man.
Got her?
Where's your ID?
That's me.
Where's your ID?
Okay.
Hey, here's my ID right here.
Shoot.
Yeah. I'll bring it around this way.
I was trying to...
We'll talk in a minute, alright? Ooh, a little bit.
You want this one? You want me to take it?
I'll take it. So I can go to my thing. Alrighty. You know what's going on today?
No, I don't.
Okay. So you're under the arrest for prostitution today, okay? I'm gonna get you some info for you. I'll read your rights and we'll have a more in-depth conversation, okay? But that's what's going on, alright? Okay. What's your name for me, love? Amanda? And what's your last name, Amanda?
Minnick, M-I-N-N-I-C-K.
M-I-N-N-I-C-K. Got it. Minnick? Did I say right? Alright. What's your birthday, love?
7/13/83.
Okay. Do you have a home address or anything like that?
No.
Where do you get mail? Do you get any mail? Not even a P.O. box? Where'd you sleep last night? Friend's house? Okay.
I do have a stem in the front part, like the little zipper part of my thing.
What do you have, love?
I have nothing.
You said you have a stem in the front part of your purse. Okay. What's that for?
It's a card.
Okay.
I already knew it was an undercover. I should have never known.
Hey, Sometimes there's blessing in disguises because you know it's not good to be doing this stuff out here. Do you have a phone number?
My phone is off.
It's off?
Yeah.
Just give it to me just in case.
I don't know the number.
Oh, you don't know the number? Okay, love. All right, let me read you real quick and then I'll talk a little more. All right, love, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to our lawyer and have him or her present with you or you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer or want to be appointed to represent you, you can decide any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand any of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes.
And having these rights in mind, you wish to speak to me. Okay, so what was going on?
Of course, yes.
Do you do this often?
No.
Do you, I'm not here to judge, right, but do you need, like, the money to support, like, a drug habit or anything like that?
No, I just needed to get something to eat and everything.
Something to eat? When's the last time you ate, love?
Not the day before yesterday.
Okay. Where did you sleep last night?
My friend's house around the corner from Burger King.
Oh, a friend's house by Burger King? Did you normally stay there?
No.
Okay. What did you guys make the deal for today?
The lower head.
He just went ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
How much money did you say?
He said 40.
Okay. Is anybody out here making you do this? No? Alright. Where do you get the crack to smoke?
People that stand at the store.
Which store? The Dollar Tree?
No, the mobile.
The mobile? Did they ever give you a name?
No.
No. So you just know to, like, pull up there, but it's not exactly like...
They have their street names, that's about it.
Do you mind if I ask the street name?
I don't half the time they fucking change their name.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody in particular, the way they look? Because what I also don't like is that they out here, and you never know if that shit's laced with, like, fentanyl, something like that, and I know that you're out here. I'm sure you have a family somewhere you're probably trying to get back to, and I don't need you ODing or stuff like that, okay? I don't like pulling up stuff like that. Is there anything that you know or would know and want to talk to detectives about? If I forward your name to them?
No, because I don't want to have a bang over my head because I'm not seeing people.
Okay. So what we're gonna do today, you're just gonna go for the prostitution. Easy kind of
I'm
thing.
probably going to be sitting in there for 6 days. I just got out of prison.
What'd you get out of prison for, love?
A VOP.
For what?
Parole that drug thing from 2021.
Have you ever been arrested for prostitution before?
No.
Well, that makes it easy for me because it's just like a misdemeanor, okay? So, I'm gonna say you're cooperative. I ain't gonna do anything crazy. And when I meet, if I have to meet the state attorney, I'll tell him that you're down on some hard times, okay? Because is there crack in there?
No, just a
It's
step.
just a stem? Okay, I might have to plop a, paraphernalia charge, but that's, I won't do the crack. Deal? Alright, let me just check again, alright? Are you coming in my car? She told me. Come on. But you know as well as I do that if there's anything on you, though, it is a felony. So you got nothing on you?
No.
You have anything?
Oh, yeah. No.
Okay, so you just got this dress on? Alright. Here, come on, come on. Can you just call it out maybe?
Post-Miranda questions covered both the investigation and genuine welfare concern. The distinction matters. Investigative questions require a valid Miranda waiver. Welfare inquiries under Innis do not constitute interrogation. The subject's voluntary drug supply information was not compelled and may be forwarded to detectives independently. A crack stem is drug paraphernalia under applicable state law and 21 U.S.C. Section 863. The subject's disclosure and the officer's confirmation establish possession. The officer indicated he would likely not pursue the paraphernalia charge, a permissible exercise of officer discretion. Final charging authority rests with the prosecutor. The officer receives a full A. Miranda correct. Arrest announced with dignity. Post-Miranda questioning covered investigative needs while expressing genuine welfare concern. The offer to advocate with the state attorney reflects exemplary conduct. The one note: Miranda should have preceded the crack stem conversation. The subject receives a B-. Full cooperation and truthful answers are genuine credits. The pre-Miranda stem disclosure created charge exposure that silence would have avoided. Agreement to the $40 transaction eliminates the entrapment defense. Both decisions were legally consequential.
I'll run you out real quick and we'll call it a day, deal. You guys are Dollar Tree, right? Is that what you told me? Or the mobile?
The mobile.
Oh, sorry. Hey, you want me to help you a little bit?
Yes, please.
You've been polite, so okay, what's easier for you? You don't face me, right? Sit down. Okay. And then squish your leg over. Got it? Alright, there you go. Alright, don't spit on me or anything.
No worries.
That'd be a bad day for all of us.
No.
Alright. You got any warrants?
I
gotta look. You just got out?
Yes. I
Alright.
did my phone.
Air's on. Give me a minute, alright? Thank you, love. Tell me everything. It should only be a stem, right? Nothing else? Yeah, we're good.
Per person on your floorboard. What do you want this?
Right up here is fine. Thank you. Oh, 787 Santa Station. Ooh, that was loud.
Now, obviously, you know you can't take your knife into the box right in jail.
787, just want to advance the station.
3 takeaways. First, sting operations are not entrapment. Providing an opportunity is not inducement. Entrapment requires the government to create the predisposition, not merely facilitate the act. Agreeing to a transaction satisfies predisposition regardless of who initiated contact. Second, once you are under formal arrest, Miranda governs questioning. Spontaneous disclosures made post-custody are evaluated case by case under Innis. If rights have not been read and you are in custody, silence is the safest course until they are. Third, implied Miranda waivers are real and enforceable. You do not have to say, "I waive my rights." Choosing to speak after an advisement is the waiver. Every answer after Miranda is part of the record, regardless of whether you answered the formal waiver question. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.